Are you a huge fan of ACDC like I am? Then you've come to the right place. In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to play the guitar solo for Back in Black. So the first thing you're going to see is I'm going to play the guitar solo at 3/4 speed. I decided to play it slower because I thought it would be easier. If you're actually trying to learn the guitar solo, it's going to be easier to follow along with the tab if it's a little slower. So I did it at 75%. For me, it's actually harder for me to play the solo a little slower. If you can play at full speed, you can just kind of crash through it, make it sound good, and you don't have to be as accurate. As you slow it down, it gets harder to play it accurately. So I did my best. It's not perfect, but I think it's close enough that you can follow along with the tab and learn the solo. And then after I do the solo at 3/4 speed, I'm going to have on the screen just the guitar tab playing at 50% with the guitar lead. It won't be me playing, it'll just be the guitar tab program. So it'll be at 50% and then the solo at 75%, and then I'm going to put it at 100% also. That way you can practice at 3 different speeds along with the tab. And then I'm also going to have those same 3 speeds, half, 75, and 100% playing on the screen so that with no guitar lead, so that you can actually then go ahead and play it yourself. I think that's going to be fun. That's kind of a lot to put in there, but I feel like it's a bunch of different levels that you can kind of jump to. You can do it really slow and practice it with the lead or without the lead, and then you can speed it up as you need to. So I hope you liked this lesson. Please leave comments down below what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. This is the first time I've done it where I'm actually playing a guitar solo. You see me playing it, then putting some guitar tab in there. I'm just wondering if people will find that boring or if that's helpful. So please leave comments and let me know what you think of the lesson, because I'm kind of experimenting with some different ways of doing these lessons. So let me know what you think. If you like this lesson and you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I come out with a new lesson. If you'd like to support my channel, or if you would like to get the backing tracks for everything I did in this video, then please head over to my Patreon page at patreon.com/GuitArmy. I will see you in the next lesson.